Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing, and thank you so very much for joining me. Today I am going to make this video super quick. You may have seen this pocket letter before. That's not what this video is about at all. I purchased a foil quill, and this is, I don't know how to tell you which designs it is. Oh, Design Drive Icons and Words. It has a unicorn on the front. Maybe that differentiates it. I purchased this at Tuesday morning in March before everything closed up and just found it in my car. So I was going to return it because it was a duplicate. I picked it up for Noni and she already had it. And I don't have a quill and we just don't need this. So I'm going to do a giveaway with this. You must be 18 or over, US address, and it's only sponsored by me, not any of the companies or YouTube or anything. If you want to enter down below, just go ahead and leave me a comment with the word foil in it, and I'll let it sit there for a week or two and then I'll draw. If you don't know what this is for and you don't know how you're going to use this item, please don't enter because it goes with a foil quill and it's kind of a spendier item, so somebody would probably really love to have this. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you are having an absolutely fabulous day and taking time for crafting and relaxing. I am sort of cleaning my craft room, but clearly I've gotten a little off track. Bye-bye.